TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 75. You get the Nasdaq up 20. S&Ps are up 4.5. Gold contracts trading up $1.90 at $12.90 an ounce. We have silver up 2 cents at $18.53 an ounce. Platinum is up $14, $9.87 an ounce. You get copper up 2.5 pennies, $2.59 a pound. Light sweet crude down 14 cents, $53.04 a barrel. Notes. 10-year note up 1 tick, 126.04. 30-year bond up down 4 ticks, 153.28. Now, both the notes and bonds, folks, are in ABC structures on the way up. Bottom line is that the 10-year note actually just missed the structure this morning by 1 tick. That's telling me that they're actually going to go a lot further, meaning higher price, lower yield. King Dollar. King Dollar's down 413 ticks, trading at 100.050. Now, what King Dollar did is this. King Dollar got back inside its breakout area from November, which is 100.600. What does that set up? That sets up, folks, on a longer-term basis. This is second breakdown in the dollar at that level. Bottom line is that on a longer-term basis, 91 is game, and we're at 100 right now. The euro is trading at 106 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 108.5 to the U.S. dollar. If we go over and we take a look at the S&P, the SPY, what you're going to see is this. And this is in all the indices, folks, all the ETF structures. What we did last Thursday is that you came down into your swing point from the 27th, and you came down with an expansion of volume. We did 92 million for, Thursday pre-holiday, which is a big number, going into 87 million. So you can see you're coming into that lower swing point, much more volume. What I expect we're going to see out here today is you're going to see a sideways, some kind of a slight bounce, nothing heavy, maybe flat at the end of the day. This is the building cause in order to go break those lower swing points from March. We take a look at the Dow Industrials, same setup in the Dow Industrials. That low that we're talking about is 20,412. You've got, on Friday, we got down to the 20,453. The composite, the NASDAQ composite, the composite out here is trading at a price point up $19 right now. You got down to a price point of 5,805. The number at the lows there at 57.90. The NDX 100, the Qs, you're going to see they had the expansion of volume on the Qs as you were getting into lower price. I would expect we're going to get out here a small uptick today with light volume. We did 23 million shares on Thursday, coming into 18 million. Gold contract, folks, is on its way up to the 1,300 level. Right now, we hit 1297 out here today. I expect this thing is actually going to run right up to the 1319 level, which is the highs of November. Silver, same type of setup in the silver contract. Silver's been building cause in a huge way. It has volume up at these highs. It's been up at these highs now for about a week and a half. Bottom line, I expect you're going to see silver run into the $19 area. Thus far, we hit $18.65 today. Notes, the 10-year note, your first ABC structure on the way up. We hit 126.13 today. The number is 126.14. You're way over the consolidation, which is 125.04. That's saying that, hey, guess what? 126.5, 127 is game. 30-year, same type of setup. Inside the 30-year, that also, we're talking about on the 30-year, talking about 156.5. And right now, your 30-year is trading out at a price point of 153.5. And good old King Dollar, folks, is what it's all about. King Dollar is trading right now down 444 ticks. You're at 100.014. That looks like, number one, is going to go for the low of Friday, which is 99.93. We'll see whether they get an expansion of volume. Thus far, in order for King Dollar to get to lower price, you're going to need a big expansion of volume, which we do not have at this particular time in the marketplace. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.